Let's integrate our AI opponent into Chess Game Creator. Chess Game Creator is set up to work with UCI formatted processes. Click the Download Stockfish button. In this case, we're going to be using Stockfish 16 for Windows. There are also more compatible versions available and versions available for other platforms such as Android, iOS, Linux, and macOS. Click the download button and wait for the download to complete. Once you've downloaded and extracted Stockfish, open up the folder to see the application file. In your project folder, right-click and make a new folder. Name the folder AI Process. Make another folder in the AI Process folder and name it Windows AI. Open the Windows AI folder and copy your Stockfish Windows application into the folder. Go back to your project directory and open your project. Open the demo map in the CGC v3 plugin. Select the classical chessboard. Go to the Components Classes section in the Details panel and click the folder with the magnifying glass next to AI Component class. Open BP AI Opponent Space Component. In the Variables section, drop down the External Settings category and click the AI Process Path variable. Check to make sure that your AI process path correlates to where you pasted your AI process in your project. If the AI process name that's listed does not match yours, go to your AI process application and copy the name, then update the process name in the AI process path variable default value. Compile and go back to the level editor. Go to the settings category of the classical chessboard and drop down the board rules. Scroll to where it says game type and make sure that it's versus AI. Let's click the play button and test the AI. Click on a piece on your classical chessboard and move it. If the AI opponent makes a move, then you've successfully set up your AI process.